Hi, good morning po.
Good morning. Outfit, pero dahil pa rin.
Hey guys!
Guys, good morning. We are heading to Happy. It's Hawker Center. And magbe-breakfast ka. Tama. It's a local hawker. Hawker. Ayun ba yun? Dito lang siya sa baba ng dinding. Nakakatawa. Akala ko tatawid pa tayo. May dala-dala pa akong bag. Visit. Guys, makita ko siya sa Elio. Kasi nakakatawa. Pagliko namin, ayun na pala. Ayan, this is Happy. For happy people. Chareng. It makes you happy. So, dito kami magbe-breakfast. Ayan. Siya.
This one is...
Where do you get your breakfast usually?
Huh?
This is Kim's Diaries. Where do you usually get your breakfast here in Happy?
Where is the I usually get?
Here? From this specific store? Okay. So, order kami ng Kaya Butter Toasts.
But what flavor? What coffee do you want? Coffee C, coffee...
Anong difference ng coffee, coffee C?
But coffee is like combination ng...
Ito pala yung difference niya. So, coffee is coffee plus hot water, fresh condensed milk, evaporated milk. Coffee O is coffee, hot water, sugar. Coffee C is coffee, sugar, evaporated hot water, and tapos ito, coffee C Kosang is coffee, hot water, evaporated milk. And then yung coffee Zero Kasong is coffee plus hot water only. So technically the usual. And coffee Sudai is coffee, hot water, condensed milk, evaporated milk. Ang dami halo-halo. But anyway, nandito kami sa Lim Coffee. So guys, ayan yung mga Kaya toast nila. So Kaya butter toast set. Yung isa buns set. Yung isa is butter toast set. Yung isa is Kaya butter French loaf bun. Meron din silang 3-layer iced coffee or tea. Meron silang iced lang. Tapos meron silang mga ganito. Nanyang Delight. So, lontong soyer lode, curry chicken rice, mi sham, and mi rebus. So, ayan. Kung gusto nyo makatipid, so $3 siya. $3, 3.80. So, $43 per... 43 pesos per SGD. Palagay nyo ng ganon kasi nag-ano siya eh. Nag-change siya pero average 43. Tapos yung chicken curry is 4.80. Ganyan. Mas mura dito compared dun sa Lumpasat kasi local lang ito. Hey guys, we have our Kaya toasts here. So this is coffee what?
Coffee.
So the one with evaporated milk, condensed milk, coffee. Okay. That's a lot of sugar. Sorry. So the original way is... But I'm not showing your face, ah. I'm not showing your face. I'm just showing the egg.
To open it, you mix it. You make some black pepper and soy sauce.
Okay.
And then you dip your bread and
Eat it.
And the way how you do it is...
Filipino style.
Just open
I just
and-
open it. I cracked
on.
it. And then... But it's liquidy. Liquidy?
So why do they use eggs for the toast?
it's just breakfast. It's a combo.
I mean...
Because one egg is healthy a day.
I think it's normal for them to make them strong. Eggs make them strong.
Okay. This is how it looks like. Okay, and then you'll eat it.
Usually I just do like this. Is it hot? It's hot. Then I just do like this.
So you eat the egg first before the bread? It depends on your mood. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll do now.
Okay,
So how did you open it?
You want me to open?
I wanna try the way how you open.
No. You should try the Singaporean style.
Why?
Because that is the original. You want authentic, right? That is authentic, right?
Okay, guys. Pinangunahan nila tayo. So, gusto ko sanang i-try yung Filipino style. But, let's do it. The way how you guys do it. So, I crack it open here. So, I guess I can open it any way I want. Just like, I'll just crack it. Okay. Dalawa? Bakit dalawa?
Dalawa.
To put the black pepper if you want.
But
Soy
just
sauce.
put a little soy sauce because it's a thick one.
If you want extra
So, black
salt, you
pepper.
can get it.
That's white pepper. Little
Yeah.
White pepper pala. This one is
soy sauce.
soy sauce.
Very little lang Yan.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we mix it.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. So, you mix it like that.
Yan.
Okay. Kailangan pati yung yellow? Okay. Interesting. Totoo ba to?
Yep.
Like, gano'n dapat yung consistency ng pagkakamix?
Wala naman, B. Depende na yun sa'yo, yeah.
Okay.
But sometimes they're giving rowers. They're over the rower.
Yeah. In-expect ko raw egg kasi talaga siya. Okay, I'm good. More what?
You can add more.
Why are you watching me, guys? I'm pressured.
Okay. This is
I dip it here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you try.
Now we try it.
Tapos kumain na sila kasi nagawa ko na.
Is it for you or?
Hey, it's good. It's like French toasts.
Yeah.
So good. So what's inside?
It's just
Kaya and butter.
kaya and butter.
What's kaya?
Kaya is like a coconut jam. But
That's
it's not.
why it's sweet. Ganda guys, kumain na kami. Mag-Universal Studios pa lang. Ayan. So, happy. Hindi ko alam kung mapupuntahan nyo to kasi nasa baba to ng building nila. Like, hindi siya super like for public tourists. Kasi nga, usually mga pumupunta is locals. Like, local na nakatira dito sa HDB, Home Development Board. Yan. So, para siyang
Apartment.
mga apartments. Ganyan. Pero masarap siya. And, when you travel, go where the locals go. When you travel, go where the locals go.
Yeah.
Eat where the locals eat.
Correct.
Hey guys!
Guys, ito yung view from Kim's place. So, mga apartment building siya, high-rise apartment buildings dito sa Singapore. So, they call it HDB. Ang tawag nila HDB. That, ano siya? Mga apartment. Ganyan. So, ayan siya. So, ito, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ganyan, may mga hallways. This is the apartment. Ganyan. Ayan.
A few moments later.
Hey guys! Good morning, laingay. Pupunta tayong Universal Studios. Good morning. Matching outfit natin. Yeah. Ano lang, earthy colors.
Yes.
So, pupunta tayo ng Universal Studios today. Nandito tayo sa Kim Tian Lo, Chongbaro.
Mm-hmm.
And, sasakay tayo ng train. Bus. Hey guys, this is our bus. So, let's go.
And then we have to...
Let's tap the card. Nahiniram ko lang kay Bestie. Ilang stop?
2 stops.
2 stops.
But then we have to rise again.
Another one.
Then that's it.
Dito ako sa tapat ng air. 2 stops. Ay, hindi siya bumaba. Guys, parang sa Korea, you have to press the button to signal the driver that you'll stop. I mean, sa next stop na ako. Hey guys! Nasa bus na tayo. So, sumakay tayo sa Op Center. So, that's opposite Center.
Bus 1, 2, 3 going
Resorts World.
Resorts World. So lahat ng buses na nagsastop sa stop na yun ay 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. There will be a lot of buses.
Hindi, I mean na going to Resorts World.
1, 2, 3 lang.
1, 2, 3. Yes. Kapag ka nandito kayo sa area, yun yung sasakay. Guys, sumakay kami ng Sentosa Express, yung monorail. Nasa Imbaya Lookout Station kami. Tapos pupunta kami ng Resorts World Station, kung nasan yung Sea Aquarium, Adventure Cove Water Park, at Universal Studios. Guys, we're here at Universal Studios. Saan kayo kiklaim yung ticket ko sa Klook? Kasi by the way guys, itong activity natin, binook natin siya sa Klook, and again, you can use my Klook code BRETCLOK for 3 to 5% discount in your activities. Para hassle-free, kiklaim nyo na lang siya dito. Ayan siya, yun yung itsura niya. Guys, ang ganda na ng mga popsicle. Oh. Cute, umiilaw. Ayan, and here's the famous Universal Studios na spot. So guys, tapos na tayo mag-picture sa Globo. The ever-famous Globo. So papasok na tayo sa Universal Studios. Ganito siya. Ayan yung entrance na Universal Studios Singapore. Here I am.
Okay, but we have to exchange our ticket.
Yeah, kailangan natin pumunta sa ticket counter para kunin yung Klook ticket natin.
Hey guys!
So guys, apparently if you have the Klook ticket, pwede nyo na siyang scan directly. So mag-email kasi sila sa inyo ng barcode. So isa-scan nyo na lang siya dito. So directly. So let's go. Hi! So I have a Klook ticket. So 2, 1 by 1. So this is 2 tickets.
So 1 person going first.
Okay. So that's first. And this is the second. Okay. Thank you! Phone ko me.
Sorry.
Thank you very much. So ayan, we're inside. May aircon. Ang lamig. Guys, we're here in Universal.
Okay.
I'm so happy. Guys, pipila tayo para magpa-picture sa trolls.
Kuya.
Pila ka na dyan.
Kuya.
Magpa-picture tayo sa trolls. Let's go. Also, guys, this is the silo. So, sasakay tayo dyan mamaya. Don't worry. Guys, nandito tayo sa pinaka-trending na rides sa social media ngayon. O si Cleopatra o pa Taray. Sino ka dyan, te? Andito tayo sa The Mummy Returns. Ayan, handa na ba kayo? Guys, are you ready? Guys, ayan na siya. Ano to? Revenge of the Mummies, tama? Revenge of the Mummy.
Okay.
Guys, we're here at The Mummy Returns. Ang taray nung mag-isa lang siya, oh. Chill lang siya.
Mummy Returns.
Guys, ang lamig dito. Bawal ba mag-video dito? Hindi naman kami singita.
Pwede dito.
Oo.
It's just like the bags are not allowed.
Na?
The bags are not allowed.
Because?
Because it's a tree, right?
Ay. Hindi sila natuwa. Bumalik sila, guys. Sabi na, ay, ayaw ko na. Wala pa nga.
Oh my God.
Guys, napakahaba naman nung nilalakad dito. Imagine mo kung yung pila hanggang labas. Tapos ganito yung pipilahan mo. Tapos ang haba-haba. Pero when you're inside, it's cold. It's air conditioned.
Hey guys!
Hey guys! We are done with the Revenge of the Mummies. Masaya siya in fairness. Like may pa, ano ba? may painit, may paapoy-apoy, tapos may pa-shower, ganyan. Tapos surprise yung mga mangyayari. So that's our first ride. Revenge of the Mummies, 8.5 over 10. Yeah, 8.5 over 10. Kasi lang naman siya, it's inside, ganyan, hindi kayo mahihinitan. And medyo chill lang siya kasi hindi naman kayo, hindi ko na sasabihan, pero pumunta kayo dito sa Universal Studios and experience Revenge of the Mummies. Diba? Hey guys, kakatapos lang namin Silo yun, diba?
Silo.
Grabe! Like, nakasuspend yung paa nyo. Para siyang Star Flyer sa Star City, pero it's built different. Nagawa. Ba't ka nakagana? Ang daming ikot-ikot. May pag-angat, may grabe. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya, dyan. So, dalawa kasi siya. Dalawa yung pwede mong sakyan. Yung isa, yung human, roller coaster siya na para siyang, jet, ganyan. Tapos yung silo, yun yung nakasuspend. Ito yung human, ganyan. Tapos yung silo, nandun sa kabila. Guys, ayan yung sinakyan namin kanina, Nakasuspend kami sa ere. Gusto mo yun?
Akala namin tapos na, hindi pa
Oo, guys. Sobrang daming nangyayari. As in, inikot-ikot kami. Ayan sila, Yan. So, guys, kakain muna kami. Kasi, 1:30 na. Kakain muna kami, 1:30 na. Nakakadalawang rides pa lang kami. So, guys, dala kayo ng bimpo, dala kayo alcohol, dala kayo extra shirt kung pawisin kayo. Dala kayo ng bottled water, magdala kayo ng bottle nyo kasi may pwedeng pag-refillan na fountain. Dala kayo ng mga gamot for motion sickness, ganyan, Bonamine, inom kayo. Mga candy, ganyan. Tapos, mga inhalers kasi yung halo-halong amoy. Baka mahilo kayo. So, yun. Yan lang naman yung mga dadalhin nyo dito. Tapos, may mga lockers din. Tama, 45 minutes na free siya sa isang ride. Every ride may 45 minutes free. Tapos kapag sumobra kayo sa pila, papayaran nyo na siya. 2 SGD per hour.
Happy.
So, ayan yung kakainin namin. Pizza, pasta, Italian.
Ikaw, anong trip mo?
Kahit basta may Hawaiian ba sila?
O, di ba? Para sa'yo nang hinahanap. Yun yung nasa isip ko, B.
Hawaiian, Team Hawaiian, guys.
Parang wala.
Tanong na lang natin, malay mo. Guys, 2 rides so far and both are gone. First time yung mag-ride dun sa ano pangalan mo?
Cylon.
Sa Silo, roller coaster. First time na yun, guys. And happy siya.
I'm very happy.
Mga pawisan na kami.
Ngayon lang ako nagkakawis ng ganito Legit.
Bago kami sumakay, sobrang kabado niya. Ganyan. Like parang ayaw niya na. Tapos sabi niya sumama na lang daw ako sa iba. Kasi ayaw niya na talaga. Buti napilit ko siya.
Gusto mo yun?
Guys, umorder na tayo ng lunch. So, ang order natin ay beef extreme, beef yan, mga pepperoni and all. Tapos, meron tayong lemon. Tapos, meron tayong dessert of the day. So, it's already a combo for 20 SGD. Medyo mahal, guys, para dyan. Pero, laban na. Nandito naman tayo sa loob ng Universal Studios. So, ganun talaga. Tapos, si Kim umorder siya ng root beer float. Tapos, beef din. Ang laki ng float. Ganyan. Tapos, guys, Mastercard ba yung ginagawa? Pag Mastercard, may 10% discount. Sa ngayon hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan siya. Kasi gulat lang din kami. Lemon iced tea yung in-order.
A few moments later.
Guys, sasakay na tayo sa Transformers. As per my bestie. So, ano yung single riders and attraction entrance? Anong difference na?
Baka mag-isa ka lang.
Ang OA naman ng pilahan. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. Hindi pa kami nakakarating. Transformers. So, number 6. Oh my God, we're next. Ayan siya. Ay! Oh! Sinasara siya. Mahaba yung pila. Guys, first time namin to together. So we're happy. Ayun, cute naman ito.
Oh yeah, that's different.
Guys, ayun. Yung Transformers kami. In fairness, ang tagal niya, oo, matagal siya. And fun siya. In fairness, hindi ko in-expect. Hindi kasi ako fan ng Transformers. Pero hindi ko in-expect, it was fun. Pero, ang nakakaloka, binidyohan ko yung sarili ko. Makikita niyo sa video. Makikita niyo sa video kung nagsisisigaw ako. Pero hindi niyo naman alam kung ano yung nangyayari. Kasi yung 3D, sa salamin ko lang nakikita. Hindi niyo siya makikita. So, kita niyo lang nagsisisigaw ako. So guys, by the way, yung Transformers, if mahilig kayo sa chill lang, nasa loob kayo ng aircon, ganyan. And like, favorite niyo yung Transformers, maganda sa. Pero for me, it's 8. Ay, anong nirate ko sa ano?
8.5, Mommy Returns.
Mommy Returns 8.5 eh. 10 out of 10 yung Cylon eh. Etong Transformers, sige 7.5. Hindi kasi siya extreme. But it was fun. So guys, ayun yung canopy. Yan, nakasuspend din yung paa nyo actually. Upo kayo, talikuran, 4 kayo. Ganyan. Tapos siya, iikot siya sa Jurassic World nang nakasuspend kayo. Ganyan. Para siyang flying fiesta. Ganyan.
Hey guys!
Hey guys! Tapos na kami mag-canopy flyer. Chill lang siya sa una. Pero medyo scary siya kasi walang support. Pero ride-wise, yun?
Ilan yung ranking?
Ride-wise, I would say it's a 6. 6. Ito ang Far Far Away. Guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron dito. So guys, yung Far Far Away may castle, may food court, may mga ice cream, may kainan, may fortune teller. Tapos, ayan, food court. Tapos ano yun? Ayun Puss in Boots Giant. Dito ay sa Puss in Boots. Universal Studios pala yung Puss in Boots. So, mabilis lang to. Tapos manonood kami ng isang show. Para masulit naman natin. Sana mabilis lang siya. Ano lang siya, parang tram or train na nakasuspend sa air. Pambata lang naman siya. Ayan, hi, nag-hi siya. Ayan okay. Ganon yung mangyayari sa atin.
Dapat ganun na rin tayo.
Next na tayo, guys. Ayan, sasakay na tayo. Ay, nasa dulo tayo. Gusto ko sa harap eh. Tapos na tayo sa Puss in Boots. Tumatakbo kami ngayon kasi manonood kami ng show. By the way, guys, sa pala? Yung Puss in Boots. How would you rate Puss in Boots?
For me, it's 8.
8. That's good. I mean, chill lang din siya, pero masaya din. So, 8 yung Puss in Boots. Guys, guys, tapos na kami sa Donkey Show. Ano yun? Hooks Nightclub. Yan, si Donkey yung bida. Inuto-uto lang kami ni Donkey actually. Pinasayaw-sayaw niya lang kami. Pero ang importante, nakapagpahinga kami. Tsaka aircon kasi. So,
Hey guys!
guys, nag-Jurassic Park kami. Mas malala siya sa Rio Grande sa Igay. Tignan niyo yung tsura namin. Pakita mo yung tsura mo. Ayan, tignan niyo siya. Tignan niyo siya. Oh. Pakita mo ako. Ayan. Basang-basa tayo. Guys, sumakay ako ng Battlestar Galactica, yung human. Kasi yung kanina yung sinakyan namin ay yung Cylon. Yun, nakasuspend ka sa air. Yung human, ano lang siya, normal. Like, parang ka lang nasa roller coaster, tas wala siyang ikot.
So, para na siyang yung mami.
Oo, wala siyang ikot, ganyan.
Rate mo siya.
I would rate it as 7.5.
Oh, really? So, 8.0 mami is more.
Yeah. Kasi yung mami may ano, may thrill, tapos meron kang ano, alam mo yung fear of the unknown kasi madilim siya. So hindi mo alam kung ano yung next na mangyayari. Ito kasi makikita mo na bababa siya. Tapos normal na chill lang.
And at least, for your experience.
At mag-isa lang ako guys, hindi siya sumakay. Naiwan niya ako. Guys, nandito tayo sa Sesame Street. Mga pambata. Ganyan. Wala kasing pila eh, kaya sinakyan natin.
Sobrang.
Kaninong pagpasok namin, ito dapat yung unang rides namin, ang haba ng pila. So, try natin.
Ang ganda.
Cute naman dito. Saka ang lamig. Matutuyo yung basa namin. We made it to outer space.
Oh no! Oh, is he handsome now? That rabbit will flee! Macaroni's land! Keep quiet, everybody. We don't want to set out any alarms! Intruders! Don't worry, I have been right where we want them. Save them! Not if we can help it! Let's swirl that pasta back to Earth! Yay, bird! So many heroes!
Guys, Sesame Street ride. Kapag kamahilig ka sa Sesame Street tapos mag-gets ka, maganda siya. Pag pag-gets ako at mahilig sa Sesame Street, 8. Pero dahil adult na ako, 7. Sige. It's cute. Makakapag-chill lang kayo. Guys, nandito kami sa picture-picture. Ano ba to? Picture time, picture-picture, parang ganun. So, parang siyang siguro 3D. Malalaman natin pagkatapos. Pumasok lang kami. First time namin pareho. Sayang yung time eh. So, let's see.
Palabas naman tayo eh.
Oo, palabas na kasi kami. Ito yung mga nasa unahang area na ganyan. So, tingnan natin kung ano attraction siya.
Cue the rain. And action.
This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately. This is the emergency broadcast system. The hurricane is now Category 5. Stay away from all...
Guys, tapos na kami sa lights, camera, action. Ayan na sila. So, ayan pala. Lights, camera, action pala yung pangalan niya. If you're into movies, maganda siya para sa inyo. Kasi, hindi siya ride it's an attraction. Papasok sa loob. Tapos, panonoorin niyo yung sound effects with the set of a boathouse during a level 5 typhoon sa New York. So, may paapoy-apoy, may pa-water, the sounds. Parang mararamdaman yung nasa Bagyo talaga kayo. Alam kong maraming Bagyo sa Pilipinas, sawa na kayo. Pero maganda siya.
Yeah.
So like I would say...
It's a good ending.
I'll give it a 9. Kasi gusto ko siya, I'm into movies eh. So, gusto ko yung setting, ganyan, maganda siya. Mafe-feel mo na mainit pag may apoy, malamig pag may tubig, mahangin, ganyan. So, it's really good. So, you should go to Lights, Camera, Action. Kasi yung iba nilalagpasan lang nila, hindi nila alam na maganda pala siya. So, this is Universal Studios. Palabas na rin yung mga tao. Kasi alas 6 na. 6 na lang magsasara, diba? Magsasara na pala talaga. May natapos natin siya. Guys, 6 p.m. na. So, natapos namin yung buong stay namin. At maaraw pa din. Oo, pero halos lahat nagawa namin. Nasakyan namin. Kahit pa isa-isa lang. And then, ayun. Akala namin maaga kami matatapos. So, nag-enjoy ako super sulit. Guys, you can book this through Klook. You can use my code BRETTCLOOK for a discount. Sayang din yun. Kahit piso lang yung discount, piso can go a long way.
Yeah.
Hey guys!
For the hagdan.
So guys, sasakay ulit tayo. Oo nga, for the hagdan. Walang escalator. So guys, sasakay tayo ng yung yung monorail train going to Vivo Station. Kasi nasa Sentosa tayo. So, guys, so ayan, we're going to Vivo. Medyo madami na yung tao kasi nga pasara yung Universal. So, sabay-sabay. Hey guys, nandito tayo sa Vivo City. And from here, magbabas tayo going to your house. Tama. Isa lang. Dalawa. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. So, nandito tayo sa Vivo City. So, may hack na sinabi si Keith. So, may 3 stations kasi yung monorail. 4? So, that's the beach station. Imbaya. Doon tayo galing sa Imbaya kanina. So, the beach station, Imbaya, Vivo City, and Resorts World Station. So, kapag manggagaling ka sa either like Imbaya, beach station, or Resorts World, going to Vivo or anywhere, free of charge. But if sasakay ka from Vivo Station to any of the other 3 stations, may $4 na charge. Kasi ang explanation is it's the meetup point for like every tourist destinations. Ganyan. May mall, may yung cable car, ganyan. So siguro dahil nandito yung marami yung Sentosa Walk. So dahil nga nandito yung bulk ng tao, may bayad siya. So ngayon alam nyo na. Para makatipid kayo ng $4, yung mga bus nyo, pababain nyo to Imbaya, to the beach station, or direct na kayo sa Resorts World. Kesa mag-Vivo Station kayo, tapos sasakay pa ulit kayo, that's $4. 43 pesos per dollar din yun, guys. So,
$40 per
oo. Salamat sa hack.
$8 pesos.
So, at least you're learning something good. Diba?
Wala, secret lang yun.
Secret lang yun, pero sinabi ko na sa inyo. Hindi kami nagbayad. So, syempre as a Pinoy, kailangan natin mag-share ng mga nakakatipid na tips. Guys, bibili tayo ng egg tart. And ang pangalan niya ay Tai Chung Bakery.
2.4 each.
So, bibili tayo ng egg tart. Let's go! Ayan siya. Ayan yung mga egg tart. So, ito yung presyo.
4 piece back.
Screenshot nyo na lang, guys.
4 piece.
4 pieces?
So guys, 3 yung cheese tart na binili namin. 4 pala. 4 yung cheese tart na binili namin. $12.20 yung total. $12.20. Tapos, dahil Citibank yung ginamit namin, meron kaming discount na 1%. $1. So, ayan. Tapos, meron din silang mga mooncakes, guys. Mukhang masarap. So, kapag pumunta kayo dito if you want. Ayan, ang dami nilang So, meron silang regular egg tart, pandan, Hong Kong milk egg tart, charcoal tart, raspberry, coconut, baked cheese tart, durian, and char siu. Guys, bibili tayo ng, anong tawag dito? Orange juice. Tapos, kapag meron kayong GCash with Alipay, imbes na $2, may discount and $1 na lang siya. Yeah, $1 na lang siya, guys. So, 43 pesos. Tinen, ayan. May kita nyo yung Gcash ko. Ayan yung conversion. Tinen, ayan. So, $1 siya instead na 2. Okay. So, yung orange, i-juice niya. Ganyan, juicy. Tapos, pag na-juice na, bababa siya dito. And then, mapupunta siya dito. So, that's a real orange juice. So, again,
Kailangan ito ng face lang.
ayan. So, kapag ka Gcash yung gagamitin nyo via Alipay, $1 lang siya instead of $2. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, mag-generate kayo ng Gcash pay via Alipay. So, ano lang siya, $1. Guys, another hack yun. Oh, choosy ka pa ba kayo? Marami kayo matututunan dito. Oh. Kapag ka lokal ka na talaga, gagawin mo yung lahat para makatipid. Ayan. Masarap. Tikman na natin.
Fresh orange yan, B.
Ang sarap.
Di ba?
Masarap siya pero asin kasi nga fresh orange. Pero, ang
Di ba?
sarap. Literal na orange, guys.